Hi guys, I have here Toyota Auris. So it's same as Toyota Prius. The problem is the car won't start and it won't go. It just, you can like put the ignition on and that's all. And he say hybrid system is faulty. So basically I've checked everything. End of the time I removed the battery, complete battery out. So this one is second hand one, and I put it on. So when I check the batteries, let me zoom it up. Anyway, I've checked all the batteries one by one by a voltmeter, and all of them should be 7.45 voltage. So I've checked every one of them. Only these two here, they give me 1.5, so it's very low. So what I've done, the owner of this car, he had the parts for this car. He had like spare parts. So I went to his garage, I removed all the unit, I took it out, and I installed only the batteries. So only the batteries, the ECUs that's in here. I don't know if I have something around. No, I don't. But yeah, all the ECUs, there is a small one here like this, and there is another one is a little bit long with the relay and all that. So I haven't changed them, I put original. So when I put everything up, I put the batteries, everything, I reset with the diagnostic, just delete the faults, and the car starts and it start driving, so it's all good. The problem is, and the fault code it was P3000. Battery control system is faulty. So yeah, the problem was only these two batteries. If you can buy only from eBay, buy only two batteries and change them, and everything will be fine. After changing the batteries, it's all good now. There is no more warning light or anything like that, but only DPF is missing. So when I rev up, the car starts, but it's noisy because of DPF. So I hope the video helps you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye bye.